So given question is asked in GATE CSE 2016. They have given a program, and here they have left this while statement, while condition blank. Okay, so we have to choose correct option which will complete this while condition. So what is this program is saying? This program computes the maximum value contained in an integer array P. Okay, so suppose we have an array like this. Okay, and as they have said, this array name as P. Okay, suppose we have elements like this. Now if this is P, okay, so next will be P plus 1, this will be P plus 2, P plus 3, P plus 4 and P plus 5. Okay, like this. These are address only. Okay, and suppose we are having some elements here, 10, 30, 20, 50, 70 and 80. Okay, now here we are having two variables A and B. Okay, so E is kept as 0. Okay, so here we are having A as 0 and B as n minus 1. Suppose the size of array is n, then if we are starting this array indexing from 0, so suppose A is here and B is at last. Okay, here we have to identify the correct condition. So if at P of A is less than P of B, what does it mean? The element at index which A is representing and element at index which B is representing, if this element is less than this last element or B position, then we will increment A, otherwise we will decrease B. Okay, so if 10 is less than 80, yes, condition is true, so we will increase A. Okay, now again 30 is less than 80, yes, so again we will increase A. 20 is less than 80, yes, condition true, so again we will increase A. 50 is less than 80, yes, so again we will increase A. If 70 is less than 80, yes, so again we will increase A. Now A and B are at the same position, and of course we are having 80 which is maximum element in our array. Okay, so there we are getting an idea that if A and B are at same position, so while conditions should be run till A and B are at same position. Okay, to confirm this, let us take another array. Okay, now suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, and let us take 5 elements. Okay, now suppose we are taking maximum element between. Okay, now here 10 is there, 30 is there, okay, 5 is there, and 70 is there. Okay, now suppose we are having A here initially and B here. Again 10 is less than 70, yes, so A will be increased. Okay, and this 30 is less than 70, yes, so again A will increase. 80 is less than 70, no, condition false, so we will decrease, we will come here. Okay, then A is less than B, no, condition false, again B will be decreased. Again we are getting A and B at same index and we are getting this maximum element. Okay, suppose we are having our maximum element at first index. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose we are having 80 here and 30 here, 20 here and 5 here, and we are having A here and B here. If A is less than B, no, condition false, so B will be decreased. Again, A is less than B, no, again B will be decremented. If A is less than B, no, again B will be decremented. And when A and B are pointing to same index, then also we are getting this maximum element. So if we run this while loop till A is not equal to B, so we will get maximum element according to this given code. Okay, so what will be our correct option? Option D. While B is not equal to A, we will run this while loop, and if A is less than B, or element at index A is less than element at index B less than or equal to, okay, so we will increase A by 1, and if not, so we will decrement B by 1. Okay, so our correct option is option D. I hope you got the answer. Thank you.